Hi everyone, I'm Holly Ann from Safe for Kids. I've been asked to come and run a parent workshop for you all, so I thought I'd just jump on to give you a bit of an idea what will be covered in the workshop. For instance, would you know what to do if your child's best friend came to you and said that they were feeling unsafe? Maybe they were living in a, in a family violence situation, or maybe even as bad as somebody had been sexually abusing them. Would you know what to say to that child? Or would you know what to do if another child showed your child pornography? These are pretty scary subjects, I know, but this is the reality that children are facing, because up to 1/3 of Australia's children will suffer some form of sexual abuse before their 18th birthday. That is our national shame. But not only that will be covered at the workshop, I'll be talking about just some general information about how to help keep your children safe. For instance, I'll show you how to set up a safety team of 5 adults that the children can talk to if they don't feel safe. We'll be talking about how to talk to children about pornography from the age of 6. I'll also be covering some other cyber issues. Now, I'm not a cyber specialist, but I learn from our experts. I learn about cyber, what children are up to, so I'll be able to tell you the apps and things that children are up to, and just how to find out more about those sorts of things. So please come along to the parent workshop. Please also bring other family members, or some parents bring people that care for their children, like the babysitter or grandparents. But this is so important. Everybody needs to know how to keep kids safe, so please come along to the workshop. It's 2 hours, and I can guarantee you'll be very glad you did. I look forward to seeing you at the workshop. Bye.